Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to touch up gray roots. So Colorado just got its stay-at-home order day before yesterday, but I know that a lot of us have been staying at home for weeks now. Good job. Among the many other things that we are not able to do during this time is trips to the beauty salon. I do not have gray roots, but today we're going to pretend that I do so that I can demonstrate to you just how to color your own roots at home. First, I'm going to start out with the product that we're going to be using. This should be very, very easy to get your hands on, either at Walgreens, Target, and I've found the best place is your local grocery store. This was my grocery store this morning. As you can see, the product is called Just for Men. Well, you know what? No, it's not. I have used Just for Men mustache and beard dye for years and years to color my eyebrows. And I chose this stuff because it's fast. I figure it's safe for my eyebrows if men are going to put it on their face hair. And like I said before, you can find it just about anywhere. Though I myself have only used the mustache and beard dye, the brand also carries what they call Easy Comb in Color. I have not used that, but I don't see why that wouldn't work just as well. But today I'm demonstrating with the mustache and beard stuff. All right, here is what the box looks like, right there. Now you're not gonna see a huge range of colors like you would with regular hair dye, but you should be able to find something that's close to what you want. Blonde, light brown, medium brown, dark brown, you get the idea, all the way to jet black. Oh, I should mention price. It's not a super cheap product, but at around $10, it's much less money than, well, going to the salon, which you're not allowed to do anyway. So let's take a look at what comes inside the box. You're going to get 2 tubes, one of which is a natural color developer. The other tube is the color base. You get a little plastic mixing tray and a handy brush. Now, this is a little brush that men would use to comb the stuff onto their beard. It will do just fine for your roots, but today I am going to use a brush and a bowl. A bowl and a brush. I'll actually show you guys, again, I have not used this product before, but the Easy Comb in Color comes with a tube and a comb that's attached at the end that I believe you squeeze the goo out of and comb onto your roots. That looks pretty handy. The only difference I've seen between the two is the mustache and beard takes 5 minutes while the Easy Comb in stuff takes 10 minutes. Now, you guys, the reason that I'm doing this video today is to show you that this is something you yourself can do at home. It might seem kind of scary, but hopefully when I show you guys how it's done, that'll take a little bit of fear out of it. So here are my tubes of Just for Men, and this lasts me forever because I only put it on my eyebrows. I'm not going to put the actual product on my hair today because, like I said, I don't have gray hair. I actually have highlighted hair, which is a whole different story when it comes to root touch-up. My very first video on YouTube 5 years ago was root touch-up with a knife, and that was specifically for highlights. And since then, and especially lately, I've been getting tons of questions about covering gray. So here we are. Let's get started, shall we? When I color my hair, I like to start with dirty hair. And it just so happens I've got some of that. Now, what's also great about the mustache and beard stuff is you don't have to mix them together all at once. We can do a test strip on our hair. Since you put the same amount of developer as you do color, you can start with a little pea size somewhere where you don't normally part it, which let's do that. Now I'll show you. I usually part my hair on this side. Therefore, we have a lot more blonde going on, but over here, it's a little bit darker. Now, some of you might say, well, there's no gray roots there. What the hell is she gonna do? I'll show you. I'm gonna put some pretend gray roots in my hair with some powder and an eyeshadow brush, just to demonstrate a little bit better on what you will be going through. All right, that should be good for now. Hair doesn't always grow out evenly, so you're going to have some longer gray pieces than others, but this is just to depict gray coming in. So that little plastic tray that came in your box of Just for Men, we're going to take that and just put a pea-size amount of each tube in there and mix them up. Now, standing in for the real thing, the goop, we're going to use a little aloe vera gel, same consistency. And even though you don't need this, I had it. I looked on Amazon to try to put a link down below if you guys wanted to have a little brush bowl set. Amazon is currently prioritizing the things that they send out. So you could get your toilet paper, but you can't get other stuff that is not deemed necessary at this point. So get a little bit on that brush and just start from the part and come out and stop. We only want to get the goop on the roots. Try not to get it on the rest of your hair. And see how easy that is? All right, finished, and the 5-minute clock starts now. Within that 5 minutes, you will see the color developing on your hair.
5 minutes later.
Now that that 5 minutes or so is up, it's time to take the goo out of your hair. If it were me, I would just hop in the shower and wash my hair like I normally do. And once it's dry, check out the color. If you like the color, you're all set. You guys saw how fast that was doing one part. Just move along about a little less than an inch over. Part it again and go. If you're using that little brush, it's just going to take a little bit longer. Make sure you just get the gray and not the rest of your hair. Move on. And again, you don't have to do this all at once. You can color your hair in stages, especially since it only takes 5 minutes. Because let's face it, you've got time. So that's pretty much it, you guys. That's how you can color your own roots at home. Now, since neither this video nor the one where I touch up highlighted roots addresses if you have super blonde hair with dark roots coming in, I will try to post that video tomorrow. I will put some links down in the description box. I don't know for what just yet. Maybe the dye, maybe the brush, maybe just an easier way to find what you're looking for. If you still have questions about anything in today's video, feel free to put it in the comment section below. I will answer. But for now, that's it for this video on touching up your roots at home. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. You all stay safe out there and stay home. We'll get through it. Bye, guys.